Olá everyone! I hope everybody here already knows me. I'm Laura and I help you to be fluent in Portuguese from zero here with music. So if you're new, if you still don't know my channel, I'm gonna invite you to subscribe here in the channel, hit the notification bell. I upload new videos every week to help you in your Portuguese journey. And today we're gonna take a closer look at this song that is very famous. I think you probably heard it at some point, and it's a very cool song. We're gonna learn a lot of vocabulary, pronunciation, and I hope you learn a lot today. First, let's take a look at the name of the song. Ai se eu te pego. Ai se eu te pego. I is an interjection, okay? Interjection. It doesn't have a meaning. For example, I can be either surprise, in this case, like, oh, if I catch you, I. It can also be for pain. So, similar to ouch in English. When something hurts you, you can say I. So, ai se eu te pego means, oh, if I catch you. Se eu te pego, if I catch you. It's in the meaning of like he wants to go out with the girl, he wants to hook up with the girl. So this is what pego means in this context, okay? The literal translation would be, oh, if I catch you, but in meaning like this, in a romantic meaning. Nossa, nossa. What does it mean, nossa? So this word is part of an expression. The whole expression, the whole idiom is this. Nossa Senhora. Nossa Senhora. Do you have any idea what Nossa Senhora means? Have you ever heard this before? So I'm gonna tell you. Nossa Senhora, literally, the literal meaning is Our Lady. Do you know Our Lady from the Catholic Church? Like Mary, Mother of Jesus, in the Catholic Church is called Our Lady. Like this. Okay? And Brazil is a country that has like a big Catholic root, you know. So this expression comes from Nossa Senhora. And it's used to express surprise or admiration or enthusiasm about something. Okay, so we say like Nossa Senhora, Nossa Senhora, Nossa Senhora, Nossa Senhora. Okay, so Nossa Senhora is an expression. What about Nossa? Nossa is like the short version of Nossa Senhora. So instead of saying Nossa Senhora, you can just say Nossa. Nossa. Practice with me. Say this with me. Nossa. Okay? Great. So in this case, in the song, it's like he's saying, wow, wow, Nossa, Nossa. He wants to show like his enthusiasm about this girl. Okay? Nossa. So, delícia, delícia. This word, delícia, delícia, means delicious. So he's telling the girl like she is delicious. She's calling her delícia. Okay? Okay. So stop right there. If you're thinking about saying this to a Brazilian girl, I want you to stop for a moment and think about this with me. This can be a little bit, like it can be interpreted as disrespectful, you know, in some situations. So save this to say to a girl you already have some contact, like you already talked to this girl, maybe your girlfriend, something like that. Otherwise, like it's like calling a girl hot. Sometimes the girl might not like it. So be careful so you're not disrespectful. Okay? And you can use this, for example, for food too. So if you want to say, oh, this cake is delicious, you can say in two ways. Esse bolo está uma delícia. Say with me. Esse bolo está uma delícia. This cake is delicious. Esse bolo está uma delícia. Okay, so delícia is the noun. Okay? The adjective can be delicioso or deliciosa. Calm down, I'm gonna show you. Esse bolo está delicioso. Say with me. Delicioso. Delicioso. Ok? Sábado na balada. Sábado. Does anyone here know what sábado means? This is important. Eu amo sábado. I love sábado. So sábado is Saturday. Saturday. Sábado. Say with me. Sábado. Balada. What is balada, guys? Balada is like a party, okay? But not any kind of party. It's not just party. It's like a party in a club, for example, a party that has a lot of people with loud music, sometimes electronic, people dancing, you know, that's a balada. A galera começou a dançar. A galera. Galera is like guys, people in general, like not only boys, not only men, but you know, when you come to a place and you say, hello guys, you can use like galera. Olá galera. Galera. Can you say this with me? Galera. Galera. So, a galera. Galera is a feminine word. Look here. Even though you're talking about men and women, the word galera is feminine. So you're gonna say a galera. Okay? It's not o galera. A galera. Tomei coragem. This is an expression, okay? I don't want you to look at these two words separately. I want you to look at them as an expression, okay? Tomei coragem. And this means like I mustered up the courage. I gathered the courage, okay? So, tomei coragem. Let's say you are afraid to come to Brazil, but now you have decided, you gathered up your courage and you're coming to Brazil. You can say, tomei coragem. Tomei coragem de ir para o Brasil. Tomei coragem agora. Now I gathered the courage. Tomei coragem. Okay? That's it for today, and I hope you had a great time. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell here so you don't miss the future videos. And that's it. Ciao, ciao. Bye-bye, guys.